Welcome to the Lewis model. This beautiful one-story home includes 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen with a large pantry and breakfast bar that overlooks the open great room and elegant dining room, with sliding door access to the included outdoor covered patio, perfect for extending your entertaining outdoors. The owner's suite of the Lewis also includes access to the covered patio, as well as a private bathroom retreat featuring a large step-in shower, a dual sink vanity, and a huge walk-in closet. This amazing new home also includes a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-bay garage. Options for the Lewis are for families who don't need the extra bedroom space, such as an optional bunk room instead of the 3rd and 4th bedroom, or an optional mini garage instead of the 4th bedroom. And because Lennar is the one and only home builder in Phoenix to offer everything's included homes, the Lewis is Wi-Fi certified and also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you have come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.